Today we're going to bring a foldable keyboard, and this is perfect for if you're going to be out traveling or out in the field. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get. So we're going to test it out on our surface and see how well it works. So let's open it up. And if you guys see it, it's a really small box. And you can see it out of the box, it's folded. So we're going to put it together right now. I'm going to transform it first. So let's open it up. Look how small it is. It fits in the two palm in my hand, if you guys can see it, and it folds very simple. It just opens up automatically. If you guys can see it, it locks in there in place, and it locks in there. That's very simple. I didn't struggle or anything. It locked in perfect. You lock it in. If you guys see the folding area, it doesn't have any kickstand. It does have a charging station, a Type C here, or you could just plug it directly. Right now, if you guys can see, we have 3 Bluetooth connections. Right now, we're going to do number 1. All right, we're going to pick number 1. We're going to turn it on. It's blinking. It's picking up. So let's go ahead and set it up in here. We're going to look for the keyboard, and it found the keyboard. It's called ProtoArc. So we're going to go ahead and connect ProtoArc connection. It's connecting to it. And there we are. We're ready to go. Say done. So we're on number 1, and then we have 2 more slots to actually set up. So you don't need any USB or anything like that. And automatically, there's a charge automatically too. Also, you can put the Type C to charge it up, and then we're set. So right now, we're gonna close this out. We're gonna go and type something in. We're gonna bring a Word document. All right. So with the keyboard, we're able to type anything we want. You guys can see that. Anywhere you want to go, take it with you. This is a perfect way to go. You got to go. You got to know how to run. Simple as that. Open it up. Transforms back. Simple as that. I like this whole setup. This is perfect if you're going to. This fits easily in your backpack. And look how thick it is. It's not even an inch. It's less than half an inch if you guys can see of thickness. All right. And very petite, very small, foldable. I like it comes with a couple of rubber ends, legs, right? So you open it up, get ready to go. And then the best thing about it, it has all the main functions. It has a 10 key functions, which a lot of keyboards only have this half, all right? Now you get the 10 key, the numlock key, and then you can control your audio. It has the function keys, all the blue buttons, if you guys see FN keys. In fact, when you're gonna have to use the FN keys, you have to use the function key, all right? As your control, your space bar, pretty much everything on a regular keyboard, and it feels almost the same, and it's very quiet too. So very, very quiet too. Let's test it out. So this keyboard is really light, very flexible, easy to take with you. I like the durability of it. I like that out of the box, you open it up, it turns on automatically. No function buttons you have to turn on or any buttons to click on or anything like that. Bluetooth picked up automatically. I didn't have to do anything. You got 3 choices of 3 different devices. So you could have your portable machine, your laptop, your home desktop, and then your work. You could pretty much set this keyboard anywhere. If you're familiar with the full 10 keys, if you don't have that on your regular keyboard, you can always take this with you. And like I said, you're going to meetings, take it with you on your meetings or on your travels. Very simple, flexible, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.